Hello students, welcome to my online class. Myself Firoz Sheikh, and today we are here with a new chapter, chapter number 7, Symmetry and Pattern. Now what do you understand by symmetry? Symmetry, see, a figure, maybe shape or letters or number that can be divided or folded into two equal halves along a line is said to show symmetry. Let me show you example. Let's take an example of this one. This is our circle, okay? You can see this circle. Now if I fold it like this, then see, one part of the circle, this half part, is identical to this part, because see, whenever I fold this one, it hides behind this part. So this is what symmetrical half. This is known as what symmetrical half, and this part is also known as symmetrical half. Or if I fold like this also, you can see that this lower part has covered the upper part of the circle, so it is also a what, symmetrical half. And the line, this is the line. I'm dividing the figure in two equal halves, so this is the line, and this line is known as what, symmetrical line. Why? Because it divides the shapes into two equal halves. That's why it is known as what, line of symmetry. Okay, now in this figure you can see that this is the line of symmetry. So see, the line that divides a figure into two equal halves is called the line of symmetry. Means in this line, if I make a fold like this, so it is dividing into two equal halves, this half portion and this half portion. So right now in this figure, in this circle, how many lines of symmetry will have? See, one line of symmetry, two line of symmetry. See, in this way, if I fold it, see, you will get three line of symmetry like this. So in a circle you can draw countless, you can say infinitely many lines of symmetry in whichever way you want to fold it. In this way you will get large number of line of symmetries. Now take another example. This is our square. This is our what? A square. Now if I fold it like this, see, the one half of the figure is hidden by the second half. So these two halves are identically equal, no? So this is called symmetrical half. So here one line of symmetry will get. See, one line of symmetry in this way, two line of symmetry means this one. See, three line of symmetry here also. You can see this triangle covered the upper part of the triangle. See, like this. This one also, if I fold like this also, see, so fourth line of symmetry. So how many line of symmetry you are getting? One line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, three line of symmetry, and four line of symmetry. Okay, in case of square. Now let's take an example of rectangle. This is our rectangle. You can see a rectangle figure. Okay, see here. Now if I fold it in this way horizontally, same thing is happening. This half is covered the upper half. So these are two symmetrical halves. So there is one line of symmetry. If I fold like this, you will get one half, another half is here. So two line of symmetry. But if I try to fold in this way, look at here, what will happen? See here. See, is it a symmetrical half? No. Why? It is not overlapping. See, some part of this part is coming out. You can see this part is coming out from this figure, no? The same way this part is coming out. So this is not a symmetrical line of symmetry, because this line is not dividing this figure into two equal halves. Okay, so only two line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry will get in this figure. Okay, now one more figure I have. It's a isosceles triangle where two sides are equal. Now if I fold in the center, So you can see that this part and this part are what? Symmetrical halves, and one line of symmetry is there. So I hope you have understood what is the symmetrical figure and what is what a line of symmetry. Okay, now if I take few examples of letters, suppose A. If I take a letter A, now how many lines of symmetry are there? If I fold vertically like this, see, one part of A is covered by the other, other half, see, in this way. So we can draw a one line of symmetry here. Is that clear? Very simple. One line of symmetry will be there in this figure. Okay, now let's take another example. This is our letter V. We can see it's clear, it's V. Now if I fold in this way, means vertically, then we are getting one line of symmetry. But if I try folding in this way, we are not getting any other line of symmetry. So ultimately we can say that this figure is having only one line of symmetry. Now let's take an example of another letter B. This is B. You can see that if I try to fold vertically, so you will not get any symmetrical images, because in this part you are getting a curved part and this part you are getting a straight part. So there's no line of symmetry in the vertical line. But if you try to fold in this way, see, the second half is covering the upper half, see. So one line of symmetry will get. That is what horizontal line of symmetry you are getting in this figure. So few more examples like this P. You can see P. If I fold vertically, there is no line of symmetry, or if I fold horizontally also, there is no line of symmetry. So there is no line of symmetry in this type of figures or letters. Like this also, in L also you will see. If I try to fold in this part, there also you are not getting any symmetrical images. And if I fold like this also, you are not getting any symmetrical images. So the letters like A, if I draw, suppose A, if I draw A, you will get one line of symmetry. Like B, only horizontally you are getting. For C also horizontally you will get. For D also you will get horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, for E, for example, E is there, then only you will get a horizontal line of symmetry. For F, there is no line of symmetry, because if you try to draw in this way or in this way, you will not get any symmetry. Like G, for G also no line of symmetry. So in this way you can find how many letters have having horizontal line of symmetry, or vertical line of symmetry, or horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, now we will talk about reflection. Suppose let me write a letter, suppose A. This is A. Okay, another letter B, C, okay, O, X, you can say Y. So here in this case, let me show you something here. So here I am having a mirror. So reflection means what? Mirror image. I mean the same image you can see on the mirror also. If I place the mirror in this way, so I hope you can see this picture. This A and this image A on the mirror are identical. You can see there is no change in the shape. So this is what? A mirror image and symmetrical image. Okay, but in this case, in case of B, you can see it is flipped. You can see the mirror image here, but the B is flipped. This the curved part is on the right hand side, but in this figure you can see the curved part is on the left hand side. You can see the mirror image right now. Okay, what about C? Also C, in this case also it is not looks symmetrical, am I right? But the mirror image is here. But about O, it is same thing, just like A. O, here O, you can see the mirror image here. About X also, symmetrical. Is that clear? See here, y is not showing the same thing here. Okay, so in a book you will see the mirror image here. The actual shape was like this, but on the mirror image it is in different shape. So these are what a reflection we can say that. Okay, I hope you have understood this part. Is very clear.